Hi, let's do question number 1 for our polynomial activity. We're creating a new rug from a square piece of remnant carpet. The word square is, of course, a very important bit of information, and from the diagram we can see that x is a side of the original square, and from one side we are cutting off 3 feet, from the other side we're cutting off 4 feet, and together we are told that the area of the resulting rug is 42 square feet. Of course, area is length times width, and so those are the two sides, and that's how we would get our area. Now we have a polynomial equation, and you know how to solve that. The first thing is to set it equal to 0. We can do that by subtracting 42 from both sides. Now let's multiply out because we're not in fully factored form yet. So we know we weren't in fully factored form because we had that negative 42. So now when we can multiply the two first parentheses and then subtract 42, will be resulting in this equation: x squared minus 7x minus 30 equals 0. This is great because now we can factor this. So let's factor x squared minus 7x minus 30 equals 0. So that will factor to x plus 3, x minus 10 equals 0, x equals negative 3. Well, that's sort of a silly response for a side of a square. So we see here that we get x equals 10, and of course that's great that a side of a square could be 10. But the question doesn't ask us for the side of the square. The question says find the area of the original rug. Well, the area of a square is just side squared. So in this case, the area of our original is 10 by 10, or 100 square feet.